Meanwhile, absconding police constable Sanjay Parab has withdrawn his bail plea filed before the High Court on Thursday, indicating his imminent surrender before the crime branch, which is probing the sensational police and drug mafia nexus case. Sanjay Parab has indicated to the court that he will surrender before the crime branch. Since the police drug mafia nexus case was exposed, 6 policemen have been arrested, while the suspended policeman Sanjay Parab is still absconding, which has prompted the state police to release a lookout notice against him. Earlier, the NDPS court MAPSA had declined to entertain the bail application of Sanjay Parab on grounds that it had no jurisdiction. Mr. Parab then moved his application at the Goa bench of Bombay High Court. Public prosecutor Carlos Pereira informed reporters that the absconding police constable Sanjay Parab had withdrawn his anticipatory bail plea filed before the High Court on Thursday, as he wanted to surrender before the police. Mr. Pereira informed that as per the applicant's wish, the High Court had disposed of the bail application of Sanjay Parab.
So the applicant, that is Sanjay Parab, moved the court on instructions of his client that his client wants to withdraw the application as he wants to surrender before the police. So on behalf of the prosecution, I did not object. The application has been dismissed as withdrawn. So as far as the High Court anticipatory bail is concerned, the petition has been disposed.
And when he's been surrendering, anything was given?
No time has been indicated. That would be left to him to take a decision as to the date and time of the surrender.
So far, 6 policemen have been arrested, namely Inspector Ashish Shirodkar, Sub-Inspector Punaji Gawas, Head Constable Hussain Sheikh, Constable Saish Pokhle, Sandeep Parab and Ramchandra Kankonkar in the drug nexus case, along with drug peddler Yani Benaim alias Atala. Deputy Superintendent of Police of the Crime Branch and the complainant on behalf of the state and the investigating officer Chandrakant Salgaonkar said that since Sanjay Parab had withdrawn his anticipatory bail application, he should surrender forthwith. Mr. Salgaonkar also said that if Mr. Parab failed to surrender, they would arrest him very soon.
Sanjay Parab, he's absconding for last so many days, and we are trying to search him. We are trying to arrest him. He has filed the anticipatory bail application. His anticipatory bail application is withdrawn today in the High Court. Once the anticipatory bail application is withdrawn, he has to come. He is absconding is a fact, because he was absconding from the day 1 of registration of offence, and we were searching him throughout. Like we had raided his house number of times, his relations' house and all. But the most important part is that he has withdrawn his anticipatory bail application today in the High Court. So he has to come now. Our efforts are, you see, we don't say that he is going to, but our efforts is, if he surrenders, well and good. Otherwise, our team is on to get him. He has confined himself to some unknown destination, and that is the reason we could not. But I am sure, let me tell you, that we will be able to arrest him very shortly.